So today we are going to talk about the 5 ways to use AI in writing our research paper. There are 2 types of content that AI usually produce. We have the AI generated content, which consists of text, image, and translation. So AI generated content, these are contents that we just copy and then paste to our document. It can be a text, it can be an image, it can be a translation. If we want AI to write a text for us, we just have to write the prompt. It can generate a whole research essay and academic article for us. It can also produce and deliver images. All we have to do is just describe the image that we want AI to produce in the prompt. And aside from that, AI can also translate one language to another. It can translate Hiligaynon to English if we are doing interview transcript. Now, these forms of contents are what we call AI-generated contents. I discourage using AI for AI-generated contents. However, we can make use of AI as a form of assistant when it comes to writing our research paper. What we can do is we can use AI for idea dumping. If we don't have any idea yet about our research title or research topic, we can ask AI to generate it for us, get an idea or a model from that output given by AI. And another thing AI does is it actually edits our work. If you're not quite sure with your write-up and with the technicalities of your write-up and your grammar, you can ask AI to edit that for you. Also, AI can check your errors, mistakes when it comes to punctuations and spelling. These types of contents, these are what we call AI assisted contents. If you want to leverage AI, I suggest that you use AI assisted contents to help you in writing your research paper. Now, here are the 5 ways to use AI for your research paper. First one is we can use AI to help us generate our research topic or research titles. The 2 AI tools that I use for this one are ChatGPT and Meta AI. What I usually do is I provide the context or situation, and then I ask AI to help me produce ideas. Using this technique can help you with idea dumping if you have so much in mind but you cannot streamline it, so AI can help you with that. I provide Meta AI and ChatGPT a context or a situation, and then I'll ask them to provide me at least 10 research topics or titles out from the context I gave them. So second one is AI will provide you a research outline. Now, if you're done looking for a specific research topic or title that you want to work with in your research paper, letting AI write the research outline for you will help you understand the overview of your research. So you'll have an idea what will be the flow, what specific method, what specific data gathering procedure you're going to work with if you choose to work on this specific research topic. So what I usually use for this one is, again, I am still using Meta AI and ChatGPT for this one because they are the easiest to navigate. And for the third one, AI helps us generate literature review. I'm using ChatGPT and SciSpace in generating literature review. With SciSpace, I can generate multiple researches and academic articles from different credible websites. However, I tend to be very careful when I use ChatGPT because sometimes it produces articles and links that are not existing. So you have to double check first. SciSpace at first can be kind of overwhelming if you navigate it the first time. However, if you get the hang of it, eventually you will love it because it has a lot of features. Another way to use AI in writing our research paper is by using it to edit and check your work. I have been using AI a lot of times already since I know I'm not a native speaker of English, and though I studied English in college, but there are times that I often commit grammatical errors and mistakes when it comes to my write-up, so I ask AI to edit it for me. Just like what I did when I wrote my theoretical framework, one of the elements in my research paper, I wrote a theoretical framework and then I copy-pasted it, and then I asked AI to edit the work to check for some grammatical errors and misuse of words. Now, if you don't want AI to over-edit your work, all you can do is just put it in your prompt. What I usually write is, please edit the grammar of this text. Do not change the words or the structure of the sentences. The last one is I use AI to interpret and analyze my tables. I just recently discovered this one. I love Gemini AI because it helped me interpret my tables. Since I'm currently working on a quantitative research, what I did was I attached the file and then I asked Gemini AI to help me interpret the tables from the file. And these are the 5 ways to use AI in writing our research paper. I hope you learn a thing or two from this discussion. See you on our next one. Keep on learning. Bye!